Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to MB again. My name is Akash Shinde. Before directly jumping to today's topic, guys, I would like to tell you, please subscribe to my channel. Almost 89% of the people have not subscribed to my channel. Yes, so here we are come up with Snap 90 day series where I'll teach you about VARC when it comes to Snap. The first one in the list is incessantly. It means continuously without any interruption. Second one is इनवेरिएबल मीन्स नेवर चेंजिंग कांस्टेंट आप ये यूज कर सकते हो फॉर योर फ्रेंड देन स्टबर्न डिफिकल्ट टू मूव रिमूव कर्व एडामेंट यू माइट हैव सीन यूट्यूब एज वेल एज यूपीएससी के जो बंदे प्रिपरेशन करते हैं सो उनके लिए यूज होता है दे आर अ स्टबर्न पीपल देन कोलोसोल एक्सट्रीमली लार्ज और ग्रेट विच इज गाइडेंटिक gigantic आप यूज कर सकते हो when it comes to elephant or when it comes to if you have seen any mountain any monument. Fourth one in the list is detrimental. Detrimental means tending to cause harm, harmful. आपने न्यूज में देखा होगा detrimental word. That guy is detrimental to the society, right? It means it is harmful to the society. Next one in the list is heralded. Be a sign that is about to happen. Clapped, clapped, right? Heralded means किसी को पकड़ लेना. You might have seen one of the example of Samsung's founder who got caught, right, by doing some cheating in the organization. So he was heralded by police. Next one in the list is incessantly, without interruption, constantly, which means continuously. So, एक example देता हूँ. He has been preparing for Symbiosis Institute of Aptitude test incessantly, means he has been preparing continuously. Next one in the list is veracity, conformity to facts, figures, accuracy, truth. I'll give you a basic example, guys. He is a very ferocious guy. He has a strong veracity. It means that he speaks truthful. He speaks fact, figure, accurate information. Next one in the list is accoutrements. It means an additional item of dress or equipment. Account means basically आप traveling के लिए जा रहे हो तो you can tell and you can use this word. I have extra equipments. I have extra accountments. देन रिसाइंड कैंसल और रिपील और रिवोक अगर आप आईटी में काम करते हो या इफ यू वर्क इन कॉर्पोरेट देन मेनी टाइम्स आपका ऑफर लेटर रिवोक हो जाता है इट मीन्स यू कैन यूज द वर्ड माई ऑफर लेटर हैज बीन रिसेंडेड देन meticulous showing great attention to detail very careful and precise careful so आपको बोला जाता है लाइफ में कि always put your meticulous attention to any detail if someone is saying to you let's say मैं आपको एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ ठीक है आई एम टीचिंग यू so I am meticulously telling you that whatever I am gaining it you should watch meticulously then acronym an abbreviation form from the initial letters of other words and pronounced as a word right acronym means क्या होता है let's say मेरा नाम आकाश है my acronym is अक्की तो एक word form हो जाता है with initial letters right then indignation anger or annoyance provoked by what is perceived as unfair treatment indignation means anger there was a lot of indignation against the current government of Modi ji by Congress government or Congress people. So here you can understand uh, how things working. Then congregation, a gathering or collection of people, animals, a group of people assembled for religious worship. Right? It's kind of a basic meeting होती है. स्नैप में दो बार आ चुका है वर्ड देन नेक्स्ट वन इन द लिस्ट इज वेरासिटी आपने अपन अपन ने अभी तक देखा है ऑब्सेंस ऑब्सेंस मीन्स ऑफेंसिव और डिस्गस्टिंग बाय एक्सेप्टेड स्टैंडर्ड्स ऑफ मोरालिटी एंड डिसेंटी इनडिसेंट राइट आपने मूवी के बारे में या यू माइट हैव सीन इन न्यूज़पेपर दिस इज अ ऑब्सेंस सीन राइट तो इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि दिस इज नॉट अ easy this is a offensive scene then genuine truly what something is said to be authentic right so ये use word आप friend के बारे में use करते हो he is a very genuine guy means he is a authentic guy he don't have any bad words about you eternal lasting or longing forever perpetual right देखो अगर कैट का प्रिपरेशन भी कर रहे हो तो then you might have seen this word perpetual eternal right then flabbergasted, surprised, greatly astonished, dumbfounded, right? So if you are flabbergasting someone or if you are surprising someone, then you can use this word. Then incapacitate, prevent from functioning in a normal way, cripple, right? अगर कोई आप किसी के बारे में cripple करते हो, right? और if any technology tool normal वे में work नहीं कर रही है, then you can use this word. Next one in the list, exotic, originating in or characteristic of a distant foreign word, strange, right? तो मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ कि if something is unnormal, कुछ लोग होते हैं कि they wanted to see northern lights, then they say and they tell कि they wanted to see the exotic vacation, they wanted to go to the exotic vacation of northern lights, it means it is abnormal. Then philanthropist, a person who seeks to promote the welfare of others, especially by the generous donation of money to good causes. Mr. Ratan Tata, Reliance, right? Yeah, these are the basic example of philanthropy. Then flair, a special or instinctive aptitude or ability of doing something, right? So अगर आप ये word के बारे में जानना चाहते हो तो you can talk about Ravichandran Ashwin, Virat Kohli. So these are the people who are flair people, right? Flamboyant people. Then illicit, forbidden by law, rules, or custom, illegal, right? This person is doing illicit work. Means this person is doing illegal work. Next one in the list is coarse, rough or harsh in texture. It means rough. Then impost, a compulsory payment to the government. I am going to impost 15,000 rupees due to my job to current government. So I am going to give tax to the government. Next one, prodigal, spending money or using resources freely and recklessly, wasteful, right? So आपने ये word use किया होगा when some parents tell to your child, don't be prodigal, don't spend unnecessarily money, wasteful money on some products or resources. Recipients, a person or thing that receives or awarded something, receiver or capable of receiving something. It means receiver, right? If you are from finance background, accounts payable, account receivable, ये words आप जानते होगे. Those people who are not familiar about it, आप Google करो, you will get a better idea. For ego, go without something desirable, will. ये स्नैप में एक बार आ चुका है. देन प्रोफिलेक्टिक, इंटेंटेड टू प्रिवेंट डिसीज, प्रिवेंटिव. यू माइट हैव सीन दिस वर्ड. जब गवर्नमेंट एक अनाउंसमेंट करती है देन दे विल टेल कि always take that preventive care. Then ostracize, exclude from a society or group, banish. The terrorists have been ostracized from the society. It means that they have been banned from the society. Debacle, a sudden and ignominious failure, downfall, right? Congress government was the biggest debacle of our Indian democracy. Means the government has biggest downfall in the past days. Trite, lacking originality or freshness, dull on account of overuse, commonplace. So ये भी word आ चुका है. Then derision, compteous, ridicule और mockery, ridicule. या कभी भी आपको derision पूछा जाएगा then understand करना पड़ेगा वो ridicule means ridicule, right? Then onus in on you, right? आप भी स्कूल में जाते होगे तो then teacher will tell you कि onus is on you. It means it is your responsibility to complete your tasks, complete your assignments, and then come to the campus. Cantankerous, bad tempered, argumentative, एंड अनकोऑपरेटिव, quarrelsome. कुछ कुछ लोग होते इंडस्ट्री में, आप जिस इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हो या सम पीपल हु आर इन वर्क, दे आर कैंटाक्रस. इट मीन्स दैट they are quarrelsome, they always wanted to have a fight with you. Then forego, go without something desirable, leave karna means forego. Then rout, defeat and cause to retreat in disorder. किसी को rout करना है means किसी को defeat करना है. Frontier, a line or order separating two countries, it is called boundary, right? There's a frontier in between India and Pakistan at Wagah border. Knave, a dishonest or unscrupulous man, scoundrel, right? He is a knave guy, it means that he is a dishonest person. Next one in the list is felicity, intense happiness. Yeah, so felicity आपको पूछा जाएगा then you need to talk about bliss. Irreproachable, beyond criticism, faultless. Flimsy, it means easily damaged, instable, means weak guy, flimsy guy. Then luxuriant, rich and profuse in growth, abundant, बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें आपके पास होना, राइट? सफिशिएंट, एडिक्वेट, इनफ. सफिशिएंट मीन्स आई एम हैविंग सफिशिएंट मनी where I can run my home house. Meek, quite gentle, easily imposed. Submissive guy, meek guy. Then embrace, an act of accepting something willingly, which means accept करना, embrace the future, embrace your background. Ancestor, from whom one is descended. Forefathers, आपके ancestors, आपके forefathers. Benevolent, a person who is serving a charitable rather than a profit making purpose. Kind guy, benevolent.